Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to video 6, final video in our little series about function and tone and mobility of shoulder blades. We can do some hanging to do our elevation and depression of the blades. Now I could put one foot on here, or you could arrange your bar or your branch or your handles to skim the floor as you do this, and use one foot to help that range of motion, because you're looking to get quite high, relaxing the dead hang, and then quite low, good distance with shoulders away from the ears. You can of course practice hanging in your single hangs and play around with other more dynamic versions. As a recap from earlier videos, we can work the serratus here for toning, leaning in like a one-arm plank without changing the elbow, working the blade, and set up a couple of bands around the handle, and more toning around the upper back and shoulder blades there. All right, thanks for watching today's video and this series about the shoulder blades. Thank you.